What's going on, guys? I am back here at Kentucky Kingdom Theme and Water Park, here to check on Blizzard Bluff again. On my previous video I showed you the bay was empty, it is all dry, and now we've got more scaffolding, as you can see. Even they started working on the walkway to go up to Blizzard Bluff. Coming along very, very, very nicely, guys. Got more scaffolding coming up, as you can see. Also down here. Coming along very, very nicely, guys. As you can see. More to come. Stay tuned. As always, check out